Hello to everybody out there. This is just a quick shout out video to the founder of the Forex for Beginners course, Saad Ali, and just wanted to say thank you very much for providing us with a wonderful course. I've learned an incredible amount. I wish somebody had actually shown me this course before. I wish that somebody had said, here is a great course. It consists of about 30 to 40 lessons of seriously good foundational knowledge and attention to detail. I think Mr. Ali goes into a lot of detail trying to explain and get a concept across to you, so it's really worthwhile. You learn a lot about market structure, support and resistance, break of structure, and things like that that really help you to identify what is the market doing. So I just wanted to say thank you very much, and without this I would never have been able to progress in my understanding as much as I have already. So thank you, Mr. Ali, and a little shout out to the Forex family. Thank you guys, and all the very best.